Hi guys, today I'll show you here the pier column boxes work and anchor bolt. You can see the size 1.5 inch. You can see here welded net and washer at the bottom. You can see the rebar cage. That's the rebar cage rings. Yeah, rings and hooks. You can see the string here, that's the concrete line up all the way this way and line up all the way this way. That's the concrete line or building line. And you can see here those doors for mason work, and those doors like Z-bar for slab work, just to tie the slab with the foundation. That is the Z-bar, and those the L dowels for mason work. You can see safety orange cup, and here they poured concrete for footers. That's another day. Here they have cold joints, good overlap, like 3 foot. Here this one you can see string, and here they didn't install not yet the anchor bolt. Oh, that will be the same. That's the survey work, and here that's the slab work. So that's the rebar cage box for Pier's columns. That's the most important. Make sure distance center to center for dowels.